na mimi pia nitaongeza Kiswahili. Kwanza nataka tu nimshukuru mwenyekiti wa mkutano huu wa Faranga kwa kupeana nafasi kidogo ili mwenzetu Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga apate nafasi ya kujitetea kidogo kwetu kama mawaziri wa East African Community ama wa mambo za nchi za kigeni kutoka East African Community. Nataka nitoe shukrani sana kwa niaba yangu binafsi na pia kwa niaba ya serikali ya Kenya kwa upendo wenu kukubali apate nafasi kidogo ya kuzungumza nasi. Jambo la pili, ningependa tu kusema kwamba mkishamsikia tafadhali mumweke kwa mawazo yenu na fikira zenu, ili hivi karibuni labda baada ya ushawishi wote tunaweza kuwa na matokeo mazuri ya eneo hili. Ni hayo tu, na mimi naitwa Musalia Mudavadi. Kiswahili si kibaya sana upande ule wetu. Asante sana mwenyekiti.
Chukua nafasi kumkaribisha na
Thank you, Chair. First of all, let me repeat once again that we really appreciate that you are able to indulge for this intervention so that the Honorable Raila can make his statement. We are one community. Personally, I can only appeal that please give his candidature favorable consideration based on the issues he has been able to highlight. I also want to say that we will also convey appreciation to President Ruto because he has talked to some of you and also to some of your heads of state. But there's a new feather in the cap, which I can convey that you have also been graceful to listen to the Honorable Raila. So thank you so much to each and every one of you for your patience and your indulgence on this matter. Now, on the more friendly note, later today, because you graduate, we shall host a small cocktail at about 6 within these premises somewhere as Kenya, just informal, so that the Honorable Prime Minister can also interact maybe on a one-to-one basis with yourselves. And thereafter we are also happy because the chairman has also organized a formal dinner for us. I hope we shall all be invited.
yeah, there's we've organized. You know, every day we eat at the same place. We've changed the venue. Today it's going to be special. Elsewhere, the restaurant, outside, band, barbecue. All right, and other staff also will be there for the people who want to indulge in, you know, yeah. All right. Karibuni sana. So from the cocktail straight we go to the dinner. So here we come back at 4. It's going to be a very short session. So we just make it quick, because when we come back, we just spend an hour. That's it. And tomorrow we'll start a little bit early, so that we finish when we don't come.